How to use Teams Breakout Rooms feature. First of all, you have to create the room within the Teams application. Go ahead and launch the Microsoft Teams. Now you simply have to go ahead and tap on the calendar option from the bottom navigation bar. From here, you have to proceed to create a room. Also make sure that you are on desktop because this feature is not yet available for mobile device users. So you have to be on desktop. Once you open the menu and you click on the rooms option on the meeting toolbar, all you have to do is now go ahead and choose the number of room you want to create. You can create up to 50 rooms. Now you have to select how to assign participants. You can use the automatic feature or the manual if you want to choose exactly who gets into which room. Now you simply have to tap on the create rooms option and then proceed to assign and manage participants. And you can also proceed to set a time limit, and you can start the rooms by clicking the open option, and then you can also send an announcement and end sessions. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.